Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to order parts for iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it's for a battery replacement. So just type in here iPhone self repair. So once you come here, just click on self repair service. Then when you see this, the first number which says start with the repair manual, and then it says order parts and tools for an Apple product repair, and the blue link here, self service repair store. Click on that. So once you click there, you need to click on start your order. So click on start your order, and then you have a product. You select your product as iPhone. So click on iPhone, then scroll down and click on iPhone 12 Pro Max. Repair type, you select battery. Now here you can see the battery and screw kit is 85 pounds. It says 85 pounds here, and then it says replace part return credit. So what it means is when you repair the battery, so basically you need to order the part for 85 pounds, and once you repair your phone, the old battery, when you send it back, you're gonna get like a credit of 40 pounds and 80 pence, and the price after credit is gonna be 44 pounds and 20 pence. Okay, so once you click on that, you select the battery. If you want, you can order display adhesives, 2 pieces, which is just £1.76. And then if you need some screws, then they're like 0.24 to 24 pence. So for this example, let's just order the battery, add to cart. Now here it says repair manual ID. The manual ID is a 6-character code. So to find the repair manual ID, click on the link find the repair manual ID at the bottom here where the cursor is blinking. Click on it. So that's going to take you to the manual for the iPhone. So we're doing iPhone 12 Pro Max repair. So let's go and find 12 Pro Max. So that's the 12 Pro Max here. The repair manual is here. And let's check for the manual ID. So the manual ID will be at the bottom here. So just copy and paste it there. So copy and select your self-service repair here, paste it here and submit. So you get a check mark there, a green check mark. That means it's been accepted. Hit continue. It's a suggested parts and tools. The following parts and tools may be useful when repairing the device. We don't need them. Continue. The product was added to your shopping basket. Click on the basket and hit checkout. And over here it's normal process like you're buying a part or ordering any online product. So enter your email, your password if you have an account. If it's a new customer, then you create an account, or if you are a guest customer, just put in your first name, surname, email address, shipping address. So the VAT number is not required. It's optional. Your address is required. Hit continue, and that's it. Place an order and then you're good to go. Then there's device data and service parts, customer data and shipping, and then your order summary. So guys, thanks for watching and please do subscribe.